Welcome. The 49% Money Trap Lesson from Ugly Truth Man Talks. This video is educational purpose only, no free money are given away. The 3 basic questions before receiving my offer: do you want money to start a business or to grow the one you have? Are your numbers okay regarding the profit? How much money do you need? I can give as much as you want. Only one question I have, the money trap question people choose bad, and regret their entire life. Ready to hear it? Do you want $250,000 for 30% share of your company, or you want $500,000 for 49%, in cash, tonight at your door? You are still the owner with 49%, you choose what to do, and $500,000 is double than the first offer I made for you. And the dream big, success man or woman inside you will choose the big number. Thinking that with $500,000 I can boost and grow the business twice faster than the first offer, and in the same time the ownership is less with 10%, because 2 times first offer should be for 60%, I give up only 49 for the double amount of money. What a deal I've made. These are some thoughts everyone has. In the first moments they think only at the money. The rich people who make this kind of offers know the secret on how poor people think about money, and the rich win because they have more knowledge and also the cash money or other kind of resources needed. Don't forget to run away from the 49% offers. And now let's get in the debate mode. A debate means a formal discussion on a particular matter in a public meeting or legislative assembly, in which opposing arguments are put forward and which usually ends with a vote. The ugly truth man is ready to buy your life with some cash money, and because your life, assets, business, and profit is more important than the cash I am sitting on, I am the only one who is winning from this business deal. Why? Because in long-term numbers, the 49% means your 100% work, and the profit is split between you and me, half and half. More detailed arguments: your eyes were covered by the number of money you will receive in this offer, and your brain stopped thinking at the future, the next 10 or 20 years, you know the long-term thinking facts in business, and also the result of compound effect in investing big one time, and in long term the numbers and profit are much bigger than a normal investment. Now, in this moment at the beginning of this new stage in your business, it is true, you can double or triple the volume and size of your business, and make more profit very very fast. But the ugly truth of this talk is that half of any number profit is mine. I repeat, since today, everything you do will be mine, 49%, as long as you have the business, or until I want to sell my shares for an obscene amount of cash, more than I paid for my half. And more facts: not today and not this year, but after 10 years of growing your business, working your head and shoulders to make more and more profit, you will be tired, angry, and upset of giving me half of your work, because of a bad decision you've taken when you were young, when you thought that money is everything, percents doesn't matter, and making money fast is the success key we all are searching for. This is a numbers game, a true bad example, and a lesson learned through your own life mistakes. The 49% money trap is about long-term facts and results of your today everyday actions, emotions, and money knowledge. Most of the people choose bad, choose fast, choose immediately because of the fear of not losing the offer, or the motivation to begin as soon as possible. Time is running, the mind is blocked, and the rich, the one who gives you money, got you in his money trap. But business is business, they don't lose, you don't win, you have some profit, they have the big tasty pig leg ham, another slice of success. In Bible book of Romans chapter 13 is written, "Owe no one anything, except to love each other, for the one who loves another has fulfilled the law." The 3 solutions you have are: 1. Sell only 20 or 25% if you need money, grow slow but sustainable. If you need more money in the future, you can sell other shares in the future, you have 75% left. The second option you have, is that you can sell the entire business and start something else with those money. Now you have experience, you know how things work, you just have to multiply the system you've created. The third option is to make a bank credit, to take a loan or reinvent your work, business, and vision, in order to grow the business with less money, or pay someone smarter to help you in this process. Another secret of the rich, and between smart people, is the counseling method. You ask a friend who is specialized in another field, you exchange ideas, or you can buy some information. Remember, run away from the 49%. When you hear this number, you will know it is a trap, a money trap, and you will always lose. If your business is growing 10 times, 49 remains 49%. If you have the option to buy 49% of a company, buy it. You want the money-making system, and not to be in charge. Let others work, and you can help if you want. You should be grateful, helpful, and honest. Greed alone is bad. Greed combined with a giving hand is better than nothing. The more you know, the easy it gets. Check out also the 96 quarters in a day episodes and the 30 days rule. Ugly Truth Man salutes you. The voice of Lucky Lady tells you to subscribe. Thank you.